Your well-researched article is no less than trash for search engines if it is not optimized. This straightforward dialogue sounds heartbreaking, but it is true. Writing a standard article and a search engine friendly article are two different things. Watch this video till the end to know what exactly search engine friendly content is and how you can excel at it. Hey guys, my name is Sumit from PaperVideo. This video will tell you the importance of SEO content writing and a step-by-step guide to writing SEO content. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. What is SEO content writing? SEO writing, also known as writing for SEO, creates and optimizes content with the primary goal of ranking in search engines. Search engine optimization improves the visibility of your content on search engines such as Google or Bing. The main goal of SEO content writing is to create keyword-focused content that can generate organic traffic to a website. What are the main factors that come in optimization? Keyword research. Keyword research is the ultimate way to generate traffic by search. Keyword research allows you to focus on a specific amount of search volume that already exists. Keyword optimization. Understand where and how to use keywords in your content for the highest searchability. Why is SEO important? In today's competitive world, SEO is essential to reach the target audience. SEO can help you to drive free organic traffic from search engines to your website or blog. SEO is essential for various reasons. More than 70% of users click on one of the top 5 suggestions in the search engine results page, also known as SERPs, and SEO plays a big role in search engine ranking. SEO also improves the user experience and visibility of your website. Step-by-step guide to SEO content writing. SEO helps you rank your content on the first page, and eventually that increases the trust and credibility of your website. Guide for SEO content writing. Write for your audience. One of the essential tips for SEO optimized content writing is to create content that interests your target audience. Analyze various social media insights and look at the audience reports in your Google Analytics account to understand your visitor demographics, interests, gender, and more. Create high quality research articles and make sure that your each post is niche related. There are several ways to find out what your audience needs and wants. You can use online surveys, do social media polls, etc. Start with keyword research. You should do good research before starting to write the content. Most people write the content first and then they try to put the keywords in that. This is not a good way of using keywords. However, using keywords in the right place is necessary for a higher ranking. But those keywords should not break the fluency of the content. And when stuffing the keywords after writing, it doesn't go well with the tone and format of the content. The best way to write SEO optimized content is to complete your keyword research first and then create your content around them. You can do keyword research by tools like Google Ads Keyword Planner. Check the keyword density. Keyword density refers to a number of times a keyword appears on a piece of content. Many SEO experts say your keyword should make up to 1 to 10% density of the total text content. Using more keywords is known as keyword stuffing, and practicing keyword stuffings make your content look spammy. So using too many or too few keywords is not a good idea. Try to include as many keywords as feels natural, but make sure to include your keywords at the start and the end of the content. It's great to have keywords throughout the content too. Step-by-step guide to SEO content writing. Structure your post. The contents of your post can be excellent, but it won't make sense if it is not well structured. So what is the best way of structuring your post? One of the best ways of creating simple content is break it up into short paragraphs. Add visuals. Adding an image with the content can make a huge difference. So add high quality image and GIFs into your post. But just adding is not enough. Make sure to optimize them and give a relevant caption to them. Add meta description. A meta description is an HTML that describes the content of a web page. A meta description looks like an HTML form. Most search engines, Google and Bing, don't use meta descriptions as a direct ranking signal. However, it still impacts user organic click-through rate. Add links. Link building is an important ranking factor for SEO. Linking to your articles or website in your post assures a link back to your website if another site chooses your page. If you get creative with other types of content like infographics and videos, adding an embed quote on your site helps promote content sharing and adds a link back to the source. Creating great content helps increase the shareability and the likelihood that other websites will link to it, so aim for quality. SEO is the ultimate way to ensure higher traffic and engagement on your website. Following these techniques while writing the content should be your regular practice. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like, comment, share with your friends, family and colleagues. Share any tips that work for you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.